Okay guys, welcome again to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you this newly launched platform that came out of recent, and currently the platform is paying perfectly. So it's just an investment platform where you get to invest some amount of money. So they are giving you bonuses. So if you subscribe to this platform, the system will issue you $10 welcome bonus. Now, how does everything works here? So I'll be showing you step-by-step method on how you get to make use of this platform and earn with me. So what I'm giving you now is an investment opportunity that will give you access to purchase their solar panel. So what they work on basically on this website is to invest on purchasing a solar panel that will earn you daily income. So let's dive in so that I will show you how everything works here, guys. So first of all, to get started, you need to register and log into your account dashboard like this. So once you log into your dashboard, this is basically how your account dashboard will look like. Now, how do you get to start? First of all, you can come to your account section here. So I'll be analyzing everything step by step so that you get to understand how it works and how I earn on this platform. So when I tap here, you will see that I have already earned $5.6 correctly. And if I go to my bill section, so right here I have bill section. I will open it and show you my withdrawal proof, which actually arrived within a few minutes. So these are the things that you need to know, that the system will issue you $10 successfully. So what next do you need to do? You need to choose a plan of your choice and then go in for it. Now see how I was able to withdraw $6.11 successfully on 16th yesterday. I'm making this video on the 17th of January 2023. So now let me go back and show you how I got to started. I got to start right here on this platform. So first of all, you need to come to this recharge section. So let's review the packages available so that you actually know what you are actually depositing for. So first of all, you can come to home and see recommended investments. So the level JO plan is solar photovoltaic panel. So daily rent will be issuing you $0.75 every single day for the next 365 days. So what you need to do, you need to deposit some amount of USDT. So the total USDT for investment into this package is $25, but remember the system will issue you $10 bonus as a welcome advantage. So the reward will now help you to subscribe $15. So this $15 will be earning you $0.75 every single day on this platform. Now, how do we get to subscribe? You need to deposit into this package. If you choose to subscribe into this package. Now if you choose other packages which include this level J1 and level J2, and when you scroll down you will see other packages also available. So but basically, if you subscribe to this package, what you'll be earning on daily basis is $2.8. So and the total package you need to invest is 70 USDT, because the system has given you 10 USDT for free. So in the next 365 days you'll be getting 2.80 daily. So you can estimate the profit you're going to make even within a week. So now let's go straight to the deposit section to see how we can be able to deposit. So if you come to your account like this, so you see recharge and withdraw. So just tap on this recharge section. So just tap on this recharge. Now you can choose any plan, and the minimum recharge is just $1. So you can literally type the amount you want to deposit into this space provided. So what you need to do is to type, assuming you want to purchase $80 package, so you just type 70, because you are going to deposit 70 to make it 80 plus the system reward. So please enter the correct amount of USDT and wallet address. So now please please contact our online customer service if the amount is not shown or error. So that is these are the instructions that you are reminded to take note of. So now what you need to do next is to tap on this particular option. So just tap on this. You can literally click on this. Now what you need to do, you have to copy this address here. Just copy this address, go straight and make deposit within this minutes, which is 30 minutes. So if you don't want to proceed with the deposit, just click on this cancel. The system will automatically cancel it for you, so which I'm going to do now because I don't want to deposit right now again. So what do you need to do after you have deposited and your balance has reflected? You can come to this particular option that is showing home. So just as I have shown you before, just tap on home button. You will see the packages again listed. So just tap here to cancel this. Now you can go for any package. So for instance, you deposited 70 and it has reflected. So now what you need to do is to tap on this okay. So on daily basis you'll be earning $2.8 and the minimum withdrawal is $2 every single day. So but there is always a $1 charge if you want to withdraw. So it's recommended you can leave it like 2 days or 3 days, then you go ahead and withdraw your money on this platform. So guys, that is literally how I make $2.8 every single day on this platform, because I subscribed to this package, which is this particular one. So when you come to order, once you have subscribed, you can click on order to see the running package that you have. So you can see it right here, it's in progress. So I am earning 2.8 USDT every single day, and this is the total income I have generated using this particular package. So guys, if you have found value on this video, kindly subscribe and give it a like. That is basically what you can do for me. Just like the video so that it will actually be recommended to others, so that many people can be able to benefit from this. So if you want to share your link, you can click on this invite button and get started as well. Now, how do you get to contact your customer service? So if you are incurring any issues, just tap on this online. It will directly take you to customer service channel. So what you need to do again, you can go ahead and download the app. So because I'm using the app LaserJet, you can click here and download the app. Just I think it's about 2 megabytes. So that is basically how you can be able to use this platform perfectly. So and it will get to make you a whole lot of profit, guys. So about us is where you can read up to understand the project goal and vision of this platform. So you can come to this place and read up these, guys. So it's very important you understand how the project works and what the mission is all about. So if you want to join their WhatsApp group, I can drop it under the video description so that you can be able to join, or you can join my group there, and I will guide you through on how you can also use this platform perfectly and benefit on daily basis. So I'm not your financial advisor, but I show you what I do basically online to support your financial goal, which is actually profitable, and it will give you access to make daily profit when you take the step-by-step method I show you on this channel. So just stay tuned, guys. More updates will be dropped here, So but if you do not subscribe, you might not be able to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop a new video like this, so that you get to benefit. So but let's go to account before I end up this video. So I can show you this one as well, which you can do on daily basis, which is to check in and to open. So these are the two options that will also give you access to earn every single day. So what do you need to do now? You can click on this check in every single day, and the system will give you 0.1 USDT bonus, and also this red pocket will also give you 0.005 to $50 bonus. So before the red pocket will become empty. So that is basically what you also benefit. Now, how do you get to bind your withdrawal address? Just come to this section. So let's just click on withdraw. You will see that I have already binded my withdrawal address. So if you come to this place where you will see setting, so you can come to this place and click on personal. So okay, what you need to do when you want to bind your address, because when you are new here, it will actually get you to the step guide where you will need to input your wallet, which is here. So just tap on wallet. So if you tap here, you will actually get to add one withdrawal address which cannot be modified. So if you want to modify it, you can contact the customer service to change it for you. So that is one thing you need to understand. So make sure you bind address that you know you are going to consistently use on this platform. So to contact the customer service for any inquiry, you can tap on this, and you can see that they have these and these. So you can actually follow here and enter to the group. So and also chat with the customer service using this particular option. So let's just tap on this LanzaJet group. It will take us straight to their Telegram. So this is where I am now. So I will just proceed with just once like this. You will see the number of people that are already benefiting from this platform. So let it load up, guys. You can see that there are about 3,228 members right now. So and you can join this by clicking on join. So if you click on join now, you have successfully joined this platform. So there are a lot of activities that actually go on this platform, so which if you are active here, you get to benefit when once you register and become a full member by subscribing to a plan that you actually have choice to go for, so that you get to maximize this offer available here. So if you want to check the pinned message, you can tap here and see a lot of messages that have been dropped here. So that is actually how it is. So earn a few $100 a day. Share LanzaJet, the ads link, your withdrawal proof and invitation. Retweet all groups, all moments through TikTok, Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, and you name it. So that is how you get to maximize this offer that I'm showing you right here on my channel, guys. So you can actually choose any plan of your choice and start benefiting on daily basis. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.